Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well today. So, this is Khushbu. I'm your host for the day. There are different kind of business structures like private limited, OPC, LLP and lot more. So, being a new entrepreneur, you must be confused between which is the best business structure for you. So, today we are going to talk about which is the best business structure between private limited, LLP or OPC from the tax point of view. So each business structure contains different tax liability and it is always advisable to check the tax implications before finalizing the business structure. And we have already prepared the videos on different kind of business structures like LLP, OPC, private limited on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check out. So if we talk about the tax structure, it is quite same in case of private limited and OPC, but in case of LLP it is quite different. And now if we talk about the tax rate, so tax rate is between 25 to 30% based on the turnover, and it is similar in all the three cases, which is OPC, private limited and LLP. So the tax rate which I have mentioned earlier is applicable on the net profit. Net profit comes after deducting all the expenses from the total income. Now if we talk about the surcharge, surcharge is different in case of private limited and in case of LLP. So for the private limited and OPC it is 7% in case your turnover is between 1 crore to 10 crores. But if your turnover exceeds 10 crores, it is 12%. In case of LLP, if your turnover exceeds 1 crore, then it is 12%. If we talk about how these business structures are taxed as, so in case of private limited and OPC, they are treated as a domestic company, while in case of LLP, this is treated as a partnership firm. And if we talk about the salary to the directors, in case of private limited, the salary to director is treated as an expense, while in case of LLP, the salary to the designated partner or partners are treated as a deduction. If we talk about interest and remuneration, in case of private limited and OPC, it is treated as a taxable income, while in case of LLP, it is treated as a deduction from the taxable income. And if we talk about loan to the directors or partner, in case of private limited or OPC, it is taxable when it is repaid, while in case of LLP, it is not the case, and it is not the taxable whenever the partner repays the loan. In case of OPC or private limited, MAT audit is applicable, while in case of LLP, AMT audit is applicable. And so to conclude the video, we can say that from the tax point of view, LLP is a better option because in case of private limited and OPC, tax burden is moderate, while in case of LLP, tax burden is on lower side. But there are a lot more other aspects which you need to consider before choosing a right business structure for you. I hope this makes it clear for you to select the right business structure for yourself. That's all for the day. If you have any question or query, you can leave your queries in the comment section below. One of our teammates will get back to you. If you like the video, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for our latest videos. This is Khushbu signing off for the day. Till then, take care. Goodbye.